Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you guys on how to remove anything from your photo in Photoshop. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos. Method 1. First of all, import your photo from Photoshop. Then click on selection tool. Now select the object that you want to remove from your photo. Now click on edit. Now click on fill. Now select content away. Now click OK. So as you can see that the number has been removed from the photo. Method 2. First of all, now click on patch tool, then select the object that you want to remove from your photo. Now drag the selected area. Now as you can see the number has been removed.